welcome back to another video. Look what we've got come in the post today. Yeah, we've got another parcel from Madam Glam. This one is an exciting one, guys. This is the new September collection and it is called Yeah Baby, and it is based around the theme of Austin Powers. So let's take a look inside, shall we? So inside the box we have got 5 gel polish colours. So we've got Viva Las Vegas, Shagadelic, baby, Shagadelic. Do You Copy? Agent 00 Glam. And Undercover. Now, looking at the lids of these, they look like, you know, the jelly gels or glass gels. They look like they're going to be like that. Can you see that? I'm hoping you can see that. Yes, look at them. I'm excited to see what they're like. They've also sent me the velvet matte top coat as well, guys, because I did ask about this. Most of my regular subscribers will know now that I love matte nails. I'm definitely a matte nail girl. Although I have been doing quite a few shiny sets lately, but at heart I am a matte girl. So they're all 15ml glass bottles. Madam Glam gel polishes are vegan, cruelty free. Now this matte top coat is the 9 free formula, but all the new Madam Glam gel polishes are now 21 free formula, like you'll see here. 21 free formula. They have still got some 9 free gels, what they've got left to sell through, but once they've sold through all of these, then they will be all 21 free formula. And the gel polishes are 21 free formula, henna free, cruelty free, and palm oil free. So I'm going to start off by giving them a swatch, and then I'm going to do a little design with them. So let's crack on, shall we? First one is Shagadelic. Look at these. These are so cool. Look at that. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Next one is Agent 00 Glam. Viva Las Vegas. Oh, I like this purple. Look at that. That's a really pretty purple. Gorgeous. Look how clear they are as well. I've tried a few jelly gels and they're quite cloudy. I'm finding these to be really nice and clear. Next one is Undercover. You see how clear they are? They're not cloudy at all. They're super, super clear. Then last up is, do you copy? Wow, look at that. That's cool. Woo-hoo. Yeah, baby. Right, I'm going to give them all a second coat off camera, guys, and see what they look like with 2 coats. I don't want to do it on camera because it's going to take up too much time, because I want to get a design done with them as well. So I shall do the second coat off camera, and then I shall pop back in once that's done. Right, guys, so I've given them all a coat of the Madam Glam shiny top coat. This is one that cures with a tacky layer, so I've just removed that tacky layer with some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. Now I'm going to try this Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat. I can't wait to try this. Been dying to try their matte top coat. Like I usually do, guys, I'm going to go along the bottom half with the matte top coat. It's quite a thick matte top coat. Although it's thick, it self-levels lovely. So there we are, guys. That's them all had 2 coats. They've also had a coat of the shiny top coat on the top half and the matte top coat on the bottom half. I am loving that matte top coat, you know. That is really, really nice. Really nice top coat. It's super, super matte. Look at that. And these gels, they are so clear. Really clear. You see that? That is so clear. It's not cloudy. Some of these jelly gels, you can find they're quite cloudy. But these are super, super clear. Really, really like them. So now I'm going to get into doing a design with them. I've pulled out 3 tips. I'm just going to do a 3-tip design today, guys. Not a clue what I'm doing yet. Not a clue. I think I'm just going to go with the flow. I'm going to go with the flow and see where my mind takes me. So I'll get set up and then I'll pop back in a minute. Right, guys. So I really wanted to do a kind of 70s / Austin Powers kind of design. And I really wanted to use all the colours. So I decided to go ahead and do kind of tie-dye design. And I wanted that to be in the background. So I've sped this bit right up because you don't really need to see how I paint lines on a nail. You can see what I'm doing, it's easy enough. So I'm just alternating between the colours and I'm just going to do lines from side to side all the way down. And you'll see there, between each colour, I'm just wiping off my brush on the palette. You haven't got to be too clean with this because they're going to merge together anyway. But yeah, just give it a little wipe on the palette just to get rid of any excess residue of the previous colour. So once I've done that, I'm going to clean the brush. I'm not going to cure that. And I'm going to drag my brush through them gel polishes, and each time I'm pulling from the middle outwards, and I'm going to do that all the way around the nail. And again with this, I keep cleaning off my brush in between each drag, because if you don't clean your brush off, they're just going to all merge together and it's just going to look a mess. So then once I've done that and I'm happy with it, I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So now you see there I've added some white to my palette, and I'm just going to paint some flowers on with my detailer brush. And with these flowers, they're not realistic looking at all. They are quite funky looking flowers. I think that's probably the best way to explain it. As I did with the tie-dye guys, I'm going to just show you me doing one nail, because it's the exact same process for all of them. So once I'm happy with them, I'm going to pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with the coloured gel polishes, and I'm just going to paint over these white flowers. Now the reason I wanted to do this design, guys, is because I wanted to show you that you can actually use these of more of a solid colour. All you've got to do is apply them over a white, like I'm doing there, and it just makes them more of a solid colour rather than a jelly gel. So yeah, that was the reason why I decided to do these flowers. But you'll see at the end I wasn't really happy with the flowers being coloured. Not that I weren't happy with them, but I just think the design popped more with the flowers being white. But you'll see what I mean at the end. So there we are, guys. I'm going to give these a quick top coat with the Madam Glam shiny top coat. Not sure if I like them shiny. I'm going to try a matte, guys. I think see which I prefer. Let's have a look. Let's have a little look. So there we are, guys. That is them all done. I'm not sure about, I think I prefer it with the white flowers, to be honest. I'm not keen on this one so much. But I just wanted to show you that if you want it to look more of a solid colour, you haven't got to use them as glass gels. or jelly gels, you can use them as more of a solid colour. You just put a white base underneath them. So I just wanted to show you that. That's why I did this design. But yeah, I think I definitely prefer them with the white flowers. I think they just pop a lot more. So yeah, there you go, guys. Little design done with them. Show you what they're like. Take a quick look at the swatches again. So that is them on a clear background. I still can't get over how clear they are. Super, super clear. Really like them. I'm feeling, I wanted to do like a 70s kind of vibe, Austin Powers 70s kind of vibe for this design today, but I'm feeling some stained glass nails, you know, like what you get in churches. I'm feeling some kind of design like that, I think, next. So keep your eyes peeled for that one, guys. As always, I shall leave the link for these in my description box below. You'll also find my discount code there as well, which is GG30. As you'll always see, it's in the top right hand corner of the screen as well. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for letting me try these. I think they're really, really cool. They sent me a great selection of colours as well. That's everything for this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.